Huh?
Are you looking?
Keep your eyes closed.
Okay.
No.
No, you're not getting the shot,
Put
baby.
your arms out like this. Okay, you ready? Don't take your thing off yet. No, you're not getting a shot.
You're not gonna get a
Promise,
shot. I
Barbie.
promise, baby. You're not getting the shot.
Okay.
Okay.
Put your arm out. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. What do you think? Very cute.
Guess what, baby? He's yours.
Excited? Yeah. And he's very sweet. He hasn't been barking or anything over here. Yeah.
Can you believe it? You've been asking me for over a year. You finally get one. Happy early birthday.
Thank you.
Cry. Do you want to
Want
sit
to
down
know?
and hold him and then mommy can go get the leash?
I'll go
and
get the
collar
leash
for
and
you?
stuff. Oh, look, babe. What do you think?
So now you have to walk him and give him attention and feed him.
What's his name gonna
Oh
be?
yeah, you gotta name him.
You've been talking about him.
Girl?
It's a
It's
boy.
a boy.
Prince.
Oh, I like that.
Yay.
That's cute. He's kind of a Frenchy kind of dog, huh?
Are you surprised? Okay, I'm gonna get his leash and stuff, okay?
Now TT can have a friend.
Yeah, TT's talking. Have a friend now, yeah.
My TT's gonna get a.
My sister's getting a puppy.
So she said she doesn't want her dog being alone
Oh, so now you have the friend for the dog, huh? Oh, how cool.
when she goes.
That's cool. Oh.